1998 Triumph Thunderbird Sport in the stable, along with a Ducati Scrambler and a ZX10R Kawasaki. So just a quick demonstration of making the TBS kind of a smart bike, since basically it has no electronics other than the igniter. So to turn on the bike, what do? I press the clutch, and now my microcontroller is on, and it finds my phone and the bike will turn on. So I can actually start the bike. Once I kill the ignition through the kill switch, there's a countdown timer for 10 seconds that will actually kill the ignition. So now I canceled it, and as you can see, it's showing the voltage of the battery as well as the coolant temperature. And for the coolant temperature, I'm using a DS18B20 temperature sensor connected to the ESP32. So as you can see, it's reading 67 degrees Celsius and 12.23 volts. I left a little bit of space in the LCD so I can put a GPS based speedometer as well as a lean angle sensor using a gyroscope or an accelerometer, both, so I can measure the g-force whenever I brake or speed up. But right now the bike is turned on, which means the ignition is on. If you can see right here, I made this LCD. I 3D printed all the mounts and stuff, and I found a glass on Amazon that fits exactly where the key used to be. So if you see this spot, that's where the ignition for the key used to be. So now the bike is on. I'm going to show you how to turn it off. You simply engage the kill switch, and a 10-second timer will start counting down, and as soon as you hit the 5-second mark, it'll start beeping. So at least you know the bike is about to turn off. See you soon. TBS out.